Hi, I'm Jeff, and you want to know how to use Microsoft Word for screenwriting. Now, script writing is a pretty specific format in some cases. A lot of people will tell you got to hand it in just the right format, or they're not even going to look at it, and you don't become a huge, giant star of writing all these movies, and that would not be good. So let's make sure you know how to make it look right. However, whatever format you choose, the basic method is the same. You can see here I've got a script open. I've gone ahead and worked some of it up for you already. Here you can see I've got character names, I've got dialogue, I've got stage directions. The secret to getting all these to look right the way you want them to, whether that's right or not, is using styles. It's all about styles and formatting. Now, what I can do is select this line here by going to the left of it and until the arrow points back towards the line to the right. I've selected the line. Once I've selected the line, I can go up to Format, Styles and Formatting. This opens up the Styles and Formatting page. Now, now I can actually X that out and do it an easier way. Right over here, this little button here next to the actual Styles and Formatting drop-down does the exact same thing, opens up the pane. You can see here, this is my list of styles. This is how I've formatted my whole script. This particular one is called Script Character. That's the style that I've used. Now, if I go back into my document, right-click on the selection that I've made, I can go down to Select Text with Similar Formatting. I've now selected every character name in this, every script character style formatted piece of text. I can change which one it is. I can make a new one, new style. I can give it a name here, Script Characters Talking Name. And if you want to click Automatically Update, then every time you update how the styles work in one of them, it's going to update all of them. You can uncheck that just to have it happen naturally. Hit OK. We've got a new style in there. And we can actually select every single one of those just by clicking on it. Now, when you've got anything selected, you want to change its style, you just click a different style. Once you have these styles defined, this one is bolded and centered, this one is not bolded and its margins are increased. These are italicized and over to the left. Once you've got all your styles formatted the way you want them to, you can apply them to any bit of text. That helps you make sure that you've got your script in order, you've got each piece formatted the way it should be and the way you want it to be, and when you print it out, it'll look just how you imagined it would. You've got your script set, and you can start sending it off and see if you can sell it. I'm Jeff, and this is how to use Microsoft for screenwriting.